to Autofile contact form, how to turn on this option. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram account or your Instagram application. Then you go to down and click on your profile to open it. Then you go to the at the top of the screen and click on this three line. Then you go to settings and go to account and go to browser settings, and you will find autofile contact form. For example, if it's like that, you will turn on this option by clicking here like that. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next videos.